Okay, we're here at 112 Reed in Mill Valley to take a look at this listing. It's an open house, so there might be some people coming and going. Actually start in the garage, and you can see the crawl space under the house. And then we'll just head out the side here and take a look at the backyard. This is about 1/4 of an acre, so super nice lot. See the neighbor on the back side. Head up the back of the house here. Nice terracotta stone, terracotta color, but flagstone. Big nice patio with a retaining wall. Beautiful outdoor space. Looks like the roof is new. This just wraps around, and you've got a nice hot tub on the side of the house here. So this is a 1949 built house. Never been on the market since the owners acquired it in '67. All right, we're gonna just step inside the kitchen. Got some stainless appliances, granite countertop, tile backsplash, cabinets in good shape. Little breakfast dining nook with a view of the patio. We'll head down the bedroom wing here, and the primary bedroom with access to the hot tub, view of the backyard, tub shower combo. Down the hall, the bedroom number 2, also with access to the hot tub. Notice the original wood floors throughout. And here's the guest bathroom with the stand-up shower. And bedroom number 3, which does not have access to the hot tub, but does have the nicest views. Mount Tam being blocked by that tree. But yeah, sits up on the hill. Very, very nice views. So now we'll head back to the great room. Down this hall, you've got a wood burning fireplace. Really panoramic views through those windows. Wraps around to the dining area and the listing agent, Martin, who does not come with a house. All right, so there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Beautiful home.